Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab again with Tina at Tina's Reborns. We just did a green-haired Irish girl, and these today are our leprechauns. You can see she has her hair pulled back with no bow. There's a reason for that. This is my little girl, Molly McKinta, and she is waiting for Darby O'Malley to show up. He's her boyfriend. This little wee girl followed the rainbow and found the pot of gold. As you can see, she dusted her hat and her collar and her pants. And there was a lot of gold left, and he took it, supposed to be going to the bank, and then they would go out and celebrate on the town. Well, he didn't show back up. So she is fighting mad, fighting Irish, if you know Notre Dame. She's got a skillet waiting on him. She pulled her hair back so she'd be able to get him more. Let me show her a little closer. I really am pleased with how she turned out. Oh, I just broke the elastic on her hat. No, I pulled it sideways. This is my little Molly. Let me pull her hair down out of the way and show you her gold nugget beads with her name on it. There's even gold on her ring, her pull string ring. She has her little shamrock earrings and her little freckles. Let me show you her full outfit, but let's look at her eyes first. I did luck on her eyelid with a little leprechaun and some shamrocks, and then on this side I did shamrocks. I love a redhead, and I'll tell you, every eye color I put on this girl, I love with her. Look at that. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And of course rainbows, because, you know, little leprechauns chasing rainbows. But I love those green. I made this coat using this Barbie pattern, and I did not scale it down because I just didn't know. It's quite a little complicated. Well, it's not real complicated, but you need to know what you're doing sewing before you tackle that pattern. It turned out a little big. We're going to try it on a Barbie here in just a minute, but I just made her a simple underneath little outfit, just Velcros in the back with the pants that just come up. The little coat, as you can see, rather than doing the typical leprechaun coat, I went for the gathered. You can see that's folded over in the pattern and then rounded at the sides. And you make that before you gather it. And you're gathering double and then sewing that down on the top. Rather than use the fabrics they showed, I used the matching gold, and turning that under was a little different, but it worked out. Worked out okay. I like it. I like the coat. I like the outfit. I'm just not crazy about how big it is on her. Let me pull out my Barbie. This is my favorite Barbie with her little straight arms. Darren and I rode down to Pilot Grove. It's about a 14-mile ride on our bicycles. And I found this Barbie at the Dollar Tree, and I just fell in love with her. Oh yeah, that's a way better fit. I didn't put any closures on it because of the way it fit. I will say it looks a whole lot more snug in this photo than it actually is. I should go get a chubby or a curvy Barbie. But I do like the coat. I like the pattern. That's McCall 6232, if you're curious. I've used this wedding gown more than once. I made a princess outfit out of it and a Renaissance fair out of it, and I'm really pleased with that. Darren made this when I first got into dolls. He made this for me for this little girl. And this is just, I love this outfit on her. See the little buttons he made, the little shamrock buttons. I sewed those on. I did the the underdress, it is a dress, by hand. Just love this Barbie. My little girl here, my little Molly, also has, Darren actually 3D printed the skillet. This was for a different Blythe doll. He made me a very intense, long hours. You don't remember how many hours that's, I wanted an oven for my Blythe doll house, and Darren didn't like the pattern, so he redid the whole thing, and it's really nice. And then he found the little skillets and pots with lids. Oh God, the things he does for me. I have 3 stands to choose from for her, and I wanted to show you each one. I just love these. I think I like this one for her, although this one really pops. And then he did the one with the same color, and then she also has these little, I love these little headbands. So there's my little fighting Irish leprechaun. Thank you, Tina. This was really fun. Again, Tina and I have done several collabs where we took a little Blythe doll and made them into different characters. Please go by and see Tina's today. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.